Installing the free Offsprout Page Builder WordPress plugin. In your WordPress dashboard, navigate to the Plugins menu. Click on the Add New button, then search for the Offsprout plugin. Once the Offsprout Page Builder plugin appears, click the Install Now button beside it. Then click Activate. This will install Offsprout and create initial settings. Now we're going to install the premium Offsprout Pro WordPress plugin. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, Add New. Click on the Upload Plugin button at the top. Choose the Offsprout Pro zip file that you downloaded from the Offsprout site. Then click Install Now. Once installed, click the Activate button, and Offsprout Pro will be installed with some initial settings. Now we're going to install the Offsprout WordPress theme. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance Themes, then click the Add New button at the top. Then click the Upload Theme button. This time, choose the Offsprout theme zip file that you downloaded from the Offsprout site, then click Install Now. Once installed, click Activate. Congratulations! Offsprout is now fully installed.